Tragedy struck at around 9 a.m. today when a Ford Everest SUV plowed through the departure area of Naya Terminal 1, leaving several passengers injured and one child dead. Among the victims was a 5-year-old girl who was run over by the vehicle. Her father, overcome with grief and rage, was described as nearly inconsolable. Another victim was pinned beneath the SUV, which crashed through the glass wall of the terminal's departure zone. According to the driver, Leo Gonzalez, he had just dropped off a passenger and was parked when another vehicle crossed his path. In a moment of panic, he accidentally stepped on the accelerator instead of the brake, causing the SUV to lurch forward into the crowd. 2 people were trapped under the vehicle and several others sustained injuries ranging from fractures to lacerations. All were rushed to the hospital for immediate treatment.
Ay, putang ina. May tao sa ilalim. Diyos ko po, Lord. Bata, yung bata. Diyos ko po.
Gilid lang, gilid.
Oh. Diyos ko po. Ito po yan sa Terminal 1. Diyos ko, Lord, po, hindi pa kami nakakababa. Diyos ko. Diyos ko, Lord. Lord, po, hindi pa kami nakakababa. Turog yung nasa ilalim.
Tumabi na kayo.
Diyos ko po, Lord. Diyos ko, Lord, buti hindi pa kami nakakababa. Diyos ko, Diyos ko. Diyos ko, Lord. Ito po yan sa Terminal 1. Nagkamali siguro yung driver. Yung nasa ilalim, durog. Diyos ko, may bata. Ang ina yung bata. Yung bata. Bata, durog. Durog. Durog yung bata sa ilalim. Diyos ko. Pat, nasaan ka, Pat? Pat, nasaan ka? Pat, nasaan ka? Nasaan ka? Pat.